So, my name's Envy, and, well, at least that's what everyone in the world knows me by. So, let's see, my hobbies. Hobbies would include anything anime-related, manga-related, writing, attempting to draw, as you can see by my horrible attempt. Yeah. Hanging out with my insane random friends. Yeah, my mind's drawing a blank. Anyway, being hyper in pretty much any shape or form. So, favorite TV shows, including anime, would be sometimes Bleach, Strawberry Panic, Italia, of course, duh, Fullmetal Alchemist, Chobits, Deers, etc., etc., etc. You really want me to sing? Okay, Vocaloids has me completely obsessed, so, yeah. 世界で一番の姫様という数かる心ひだよね Yeah. I really have to say this? Okay. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. Did I really have to say that? That's so confusing. Okay. That was me rambling. Anything else I want to add? Let's see. Well, I have no idea. My mind's drawing blank. Please don't vote for me voting on my drawing skills, my voice, please. I'm sorry I suck at life. And, yeah, I think that's enough of my rambling. Thank you, and vote for me for, yeah. Thank you. Did the webcam stop? Does my computer hate me? My computer hates me. Are you serious? Stupid.